Advantages and disadvantages of mutual fund. What advantages? Professional management. The mutual funds are usually managed by good educated people. Diversification. So they are not only focused on single company, they diversify their investment. Convenient administration. So administrations are totally convenient. They take care of your doubts. If any query rise, they will help you out. Higher returns. Mutual funds are usually higher returns than you invest in share market. Highly regulated. SEBI is always watching them. They are highly regulated. RBI also watching them. Disadvantages. What? No guarantee for return. As like bank, there is no guarantee you will get the certain return what they have said. Diversification. As they are diversified, they may even probe to lose your money. Selection of proper fund. If you don't select your proper fund, it is like put your money in ocean. You may not get back. Cost factor. Always there is a cost factor and the charges are little bit high. These are the advantages and disadvantages of mutual fund.